Hey, to create a second YouTube channel using the YouTube website, all you have to do is just to click on the right upper corner or on your current channel, and then from here click on this icon to switch account. So click on it, and now tap to view all channels, and then from here click to create a channel. And as you can see right now, we can use our brand's name or another, and from here we've got the information to a good channel name represents us and our content. Let's input, for example, tutorials how to, and now we have to click on this button. I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, so click to create. Now just wait for this loading process. It will take like a few seconds. There we go. And now try to refresh. Okay, we've got some weird information that this channel does not exist, but let's see. Let's click on the view YouTube channel, and as you can see right now, we actually did it. So now when I go into the YouTube studio, I can find my second channel. And if I want to switch between the channels, I have to click to switch account, and now I can actually switch between my channels, and I'm using the same Gmail. I mean the same Google account. So yeah, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.